How to recover password on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to recover your account password and log back in safely on Snapchat. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, then you simply have to log in. So here on the login page, simply enter your username or email, and here below the password field, just tap on Forget Your Password. And after that, you'll be asked to choose Recover via phone or the email. So here, if you select phone, then you have to enter your registered phone number, and Snapchat will send a verification code via SMS. Or if you select email, then you have to enter the registered email address, and Snapchat will send a password reset link. So here for this video, I'm going to simply select email. And now here in this section, I'm going to simply select my email address and tap on send the confirmation code. And once you do that, the link will be sent to your Gmail address. So there, you simply have to go there and see the code from there and simply enter it again right here. And after that, you simply have to update your new password, and after that you can simply log in with your Snapchat account. And that's it. That's how you can recover your Snapchat password. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.